Meet Osmo Pocket, a compact, stabilized smart camera that was made to fit in every moment. Osmo Pocket puts the power of stable camera movement in the palm of your hand, allowing you to capture cinematic video anywhere, anytime. A compact 3-axis gimbal eliminates shake and jitter, giving you smooth video. Osmo Pocket is also your own camera crew. The versatile extension rod gives you even more control of your shot. In selfie mode, the camera automatically enters face track, keeping you in the shot as you explore your surroundings. For filming all your friends, Active Track is now more intuitive than ever. Simply tap on the subject and the camera follows its every move. Put your audience at the front of the action. FPV mode captures a more dynamic perspective, following the gimbal's orientation smoothly for fast-moving shots. Take Osmo Pocket on your underwater adventures with a waterproof case. Shoot with distortion-free clarity from the camera's wide-angle lens. Love the view? Take a motion lapse and the camera moves smoothly over time, allowing the scene to come to life. If one frame isn't enough for a complete picture, catch it perfectly with a seamless 3x3 panorama. With Night Shot, capture handheld long exposures and illuminate the night. Osmo Pocket introduces DJI Mimo, a new app that expands your creativity even further. Story mode adds movie magic to your clips with a variety of templates to choose from. Preset camera movements, effects, and music turn your everyday video into an instant hit. Osmo Pocket works seamlessly with your phone, allowing you to share your favorite moments with a single tap. It's just as easy to put away for whatever comes next. Osmo Pocket instantly captures smooth, stabilized video for wherever life takes you. It lets you turn all your moments, whether they're epic or everyday, into a story worth telling.
Explore it, snap it, share it with the Kidizoom Action Cam from VTech. The Kidizoom Action Cam lets kids film their own adventures anywhere they go. It comes with all the mounts and attachments little explorers need to capture special moments. Mounts and accessories are included for their favorite activities. It's fun underwater. They can hook it to a bike, take it for a ride, put it on a helmet, or use their imagination to discover even more ways to film their adventures. The Kidizoom Action Cam lets kids snap pictures and videos for hours of fun. Expandable memory holds thousands of photos and hours of video memories. They can even add photo effects, frames, and filters, or use fun features like stop motion and time-lapse. Then connect to the computer to share their adventures with you. The Kidizoom Action Cam's built-in games give even more ways to play. Whether they're sliding, zooming, or gliding, they can catch it all. Explore it, snap it, share it with the Kidizoom Action Cam, only from VTech.
Picasso Brave 7 LE action camera utilizes IPX7 water-resistant and Innovate dual-color screens design. It features 4K 30 frames per second video and records smooth footage with electronic image stabilization. With the upgraded waterproof case, you can deep dive up to 131 feet. Want to record slow-motion video? The Brave 7 LE is for you.